You've heard of the Great Firewall, haven't you? Well, there's been a major leak. Over 500 gigabytes of data has been leaked, including source code of the Great Firewall. Well, the Great Firewall, what is it? Well, it's both a surveillance and a firewall blocking platform for governments. And in fact, in some of these leaks, they've even found that it is being marketed to governments around the world, partly relating to the Belt and Road Initiative and the partnerships of that, which is several governments are working together to build trade routes. But let's talk about the Great Firewall. It can do things such as deep packet inspection, which allows them to actually analyze the different packets to find out if someone is trying to get around the blocks of the government. So it's censorship, but it's also surveillance. And anytime you can break encryption or anytime you can detect the type of workaround proxy, well, you can block connections to that from the users that are using government ISPs. And from there, well, that just shows the value of encryption, because if they can read it, they can block it. And even it talks about how Ethiopian government was interested in the Great Firewall to implement it in their own way. And what does that allow? Well, they said they want to use it to fight hate speech, which is something that can be up to interpretation in some cases. It can be defined differently by different countries. So you have to be careful about using those kinds of words, giving power to language like that. Then you also have the actual national security interests, that the blocking of different websites, the blocking of different networks can be done under national security grounds. So beware that term, because that term is the master key to all your rights.